If you're looking for a small Android handheld that can fit in your pocket but still play everything from classic consoles to PS2 and GameCube, you've probably come across these two. The AYANEO Pocket Micro 2 and the Retroid Pocket Mini may look similar at first, but they take very different approaches. One focuses on premium hardware and proven performance, while the other delivers incredible value with an OLED display. So, which one actually deserves your money? Let's find out. Let's start with what you'll notice the moment you pick them up. Both of these handhelds are built for portability. They're compact enough to slip into a jacket pocket, making them great for commuting or traveling. But they target different types of buyers. The AYANEO Pocket Micro 2 feels like a premium device. You can tell extra attention went into the materials and overall finish. It has a clean design, solid buttons, and includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming harder to find these days. It also has a built-in microphone if you like using voice chat or recording audio. On the contrary, the Retroid Pocket Mini takes a simpler approach, but that doesn't mean it feels cheap. Instead, it puts more of the budget where it matters most. It skips some premium extras, but adds DisplayPort output over USB-C, letting you connect it to a monitor or TV for larger screen gaming. Now let's talk about the part most people care about: gaming performance. The Pocket Micro 2 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 with the Adreno 650 GPU. Even though this chip isn't brand new, it remains one of the most trusted processors for Android emulation. Emulator developers have spent years optimizing for Snapdragon chips, so compatibility is excellent. However, the Retroid Pocket Mini uses the MediaTek Dimensity 900. It's a capable processor and handles modern Android gaming well, but when it comes to demanding emulators, Snapdragon still has the advantage. For older systems like NAS, SNAS, Game Boy, PlayStation 1, Nintendo 64, Dreamcast, and PSP, both handhelds perform without any real issues. Once you move into GameCube and PlayStation 2, the difference becomes more noticeable. Both can play many games, but the Snapdragon 865 usually delivers smoother performance and fewer compatibility problems in heavier titles. If you're someone who plans to spend a lot of time playing PS2 or GameCube games, the Pocket Micro 2 offers a little more confidence. It's not a massive gap, but it's enough that power users will appreciate it. This is where the Retroid Pocket Mini starts fighting back. Its biggest highlight is the 3.7-inch OLED display. OLED panels offer deeper blacks, stronger contrast, and richer colors compared to LCD. Whether you're playing pixel art games or colorful PSP titles, everything simply looks more vibrant. On the other hand, the AYANEO Pocket Micro 2 uses a 3.5-inch LCD with the same 960 by 640 resolution and a 3:2 aspect ratio. It's still a sharp screen, and the 3:2 layout works especially well for many retro systems, but visually it can't quite match OLED's contrast and color. When it comes to controls, both devices avoid traditional joystick drift. The Pocket Mini uses Hall effect sticks, while the Pocket Micro 2 uses newer TMR sticks. Both technologies are designed for long-term reliability, so neither should suffer from stick drift like older analog sticks. Battery capacity is almost identical. The Pocket Micro 2 includes a 3,950 mAh battery, while the Pocket Mini has a slightly larger 4,000 mAh battery. In real-world use, battery life should be fairly close, depending on what games you're playing. The real difference is in the extra features. AYANEO gives you a headphone jack and built-in microphone, making it convenient if you still use wired headphones or want zero audio latency. Retroid focuses on versatility with DisplayPort output, allowing you to connect the handheld directly to an external display for a console-like experience. Then comes pricing. The Retroid Pocket Mini starts at around $149. The AYANEO Pocket Micro 2 starts at around $239. That's roughly a $100 difference. For that extra money, you're getting a more proven Snapdragon processor, premium construction, and a few additional hardware features. Whether that's worth paying for depends entirely on what matters most to you. So, which one should you buy? At the end of the day, Neither of these handhelds is a bad choice. The AYANEO Pocket Micro 2 is for buyers who want premium quality and the most dependable emulation performance. The Retroid Pocket Mini is for anyone who wants outstanding value and one of the best displays in its class. Whichever you choose, you'll end up with a capable little handheld that's ready for thousands of retro games wherever you go. So, that's our take. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more PC hardware news, and I'll see you in the next one.